Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Tomo. Welcome back to Hooktop RC. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of this right here, the brand new 4TECH 3.0 from Traxxas. This thing is so new that we got it into the store today, and we're going to be unboxing it and showing you what it can do. And then after the video, we'll do a little rip and run to show you what it can do when it's on the road. Let's get to the video. Okay, so this is the brand new 4TECH 3.0. We're going to be unboxing it today. I'm very thankful that I got to do this video. I'm very thankful to Hooktop RC for letting us unbox it today. It'd be great. I'm really happy that we got it sitting here and we're unboxing this here for the store. It's going to be great. We got it sent into the store a couple of days ago, and now we're going to sit here and unbox it for you guys to see how beautiful this car is. So, the thing comes with this thing are some pretty authentic scale details come with this car. I'm pretty impressed. It's got, you know, molded headlights on here for they're molded LED ready headlights that come in this car. They have the molded brake calipers on the side of it as well, and they have molded side air intakes. Not to mention, they also have the chrome tipped exhausts and the LED ready tail lights. So this is the only thing that's pretty much different between this and the 2.0 is that this is a lot longer. Their parts are longer, so it's going to be different parts, so they're not going to be interchangeable. So if you're thinking that you have a 2.0 and you want to upgrade to 3.0 and still be able to swap parts, you probably won't be able to because of the size of difference of this car itself. So let's get to unboxing it. Alright, there she is out of the box, and it is gorgeous. Oren, what is the one thing that's missing from this car that was on the 2.0?
No body clip.
Exactly. Kid's smart as hell right there. No body clip design on this thing is amazing. You see that the car here just looks really nice. They did a lot of good detail on the light system here. Windshield wipers. You can see here the engine itself is in awesome detail for the engine in the back. All right, so how you take this thing off? How you take this, flip this body design off? First of all, this button that's right here. You're gonna push that button right there, and there's another button right there. You're gonna push that button at the same time, and you're gonna unlock the car. All right, so looking at the car here, it looks like we come with a standard, the 550 12-turn brushed engine here, with the XL5 ESC as well. This thing can what kind of batteries can be used in this thing? Well, you can use the NIM batteries, or you can go up to a 2-cell LiPo battery. We're gonna take it out today. We're gonna put a 2-cell LiPo battery in this thing, and we're gonna see how good she runs. I want to show off this body here real fast. Okay, look at this body, and then look at the inside of it. All that stuff's ready to rock and roll. You got your LED lights here, right there. They have screws in them. They're ready to be replaced with the LED light system there, as well as up here. Well, and I'm thinking probably right here in the rear of the car itself, there's going to be some tail lights right there, and a lighting system that will come with this car, which will make it really cool. So my prediction is this will come with some pretty cool light setups in it. Take a look at how the clipless body system actually attaches to the car. It's pretty cool. You got one here, one here, one here, and one here, and all you gotta do with the car is just literally put the car, if you want to ready to rock, put your battery in, ready to go, take your car, and you literally pop it on, and she's ready to rock and roll. Okay, so another thing to note that's different, a lot different from this, is that it has this wing right here in the front of the car. And believe me, I think this wing is the only thing this wing is good for is we'll obviously keeping the front end down, but it's really good about scooping up little rocks and shoving them into your car. So when we're done with this car and we get out to use this car, we have a lot of rocks floating around inside the car itself and just using it in the parking lot. We got the basic things right here, basic package that comes with Traxxas right here in the front. Comes with spacers for your shocks, obviously, and then it comes with stickers, comes with your warranty card here, comes with the book and manual, which is something you should probably read and really digest what goes on here, because a lot of problems can be fixed just by reading your manual and not having to come into your local hobby store and take up time there. So, all right, let's get into the video. Thank you so much for watching. We are Hook Top RC. We're located here in Longview, Washington on 1015 Vanderhook Way. Come in and stop in and say hi to us. Come and or just come out and check our stock out or our store and see if there's anything you like there. So I hope this video is awesome for you. I hope to help out you to make the decision either to buy this car or just to see this car in action and to see what it can really do, and then maybe buy yourself. So this will be available at your local hardware store soon. So make sure you watch out for that. And thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. So have fun bashing and crashing.